Consider this. In an age of rapid technological advancement, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, what remains the domain of humans? Artificial intelligence, in its relentless pursuit of efficiency, is transforming the landscape of industries far and wide. From marketing to finance, no sector remains untouched. It has sparked a fear of job loss, a concern that AI might replace tasks such as copywriting and brand storytelling. This fear is not unfounded, as AI's capabilities continue to expand. But it's not all gloom and doom. The rise of AI has also highlighted the importance of adaptability, of skills that are uniquely human. The ability to manage client relationships, provide emotional support, and demonstrate creativity. These are the facets of work that AI is yet to master. While AI continues its relentless march, there are still tech jobs that remain firmly in the grasp of human ingenuity. Curious about those tech jobs that AI cannot touch? They exist, and they thrive on human understanding, interpretation, and strategic thinking. Let's delve into 7 such roles. First, we have professionals who build and maintain secure networks. These experts not only set up complex systems, but also troubleshoot them. They decipher intricate patterns and anomalies that AI can miss, ensuring robust and secure networks. Next, we have software developers. Their work goes beyond writing code. They are problem solvers and innovators, creating new solutions and experiences. While AI can generate code, it lacks the creative spark that human developers bring to the table. Thirdly, there are those who manage cloud systems. They understand the complex interplay of various components in the cloud and can adapt and optimize these systems in ways an AI simply can't. Then we have specialists improving system performance. They fine-tune technology infrastructure, making it more efficient and reliable. Their deep understanding of system intricacies surpasses AI's capabilities, which can only optimize based on preset parameters. Designers who understand user behavior and emotions form another crucial group. They craft user experiences that resonate emotionally, something an AI, lacking empathy and emotional intelligence, can't achieve. These tech jobs stand strong, demonstrating the irreplaceable value of human ingenuity, creativity, strategic thinking, and leadership. So how can you future-proof your career in the age of AI? Well, it's all about continually learning, adapting, and honing your uniquely human skills. It's crucial to develop problem-solving abilities and critical thinking prowess. These skills not only make you a better decision-maker, but also equip you to navigate the complex landscape of AI-dominated industries. Data literacy is another important skill to cultivate. As AI continues to generate vast amounts of data, the ability to interpret, analyze, and make smart decisions based on this data becomes invaluable. But remember, AI is a tool, not a substitute for human judgment. Emotional intelligence, a trait AI is yet to master, is also essential. Effective communication, teamwork, and leadership are all driven by emotional intelligence. These are the skills that foster strong client relationships, build high-performing teams, and ultimately lead to business success. And let's not forget creativity. It's human creativity that conceives innovative solutions, designs user-friendly software, and crafts compelling brand stories. AI may be able to mimic creativity to an extent, but it cannot replicate the human touch. In a world increasingly dominated by AI, it is these uniquely human traits that will ensure we continue to play a vital role in our technological future. Having understood the future-proofing of careers, let's delve a bit deeper into the concept of the AI-human partnership. It's essential to understand that AI is not here to replace us, but to augment our capabilities. It's about enhancing our abilities to solve complex problems, make informed decisions, and create innovative solutions. AI can handle data-driven tasks, repetitive jobs, and complex calculations with efficiency and accuracy. But it lacks the human touch, the ability to empathize, to understand context, to interpret nuances, and to be creative in a truly human way. Therefore, instead of seeing AI as a threat, we need to view it as a powerful ally. It's about leveraging AI's strengths to amplify our own. By harmonizing AI's computational power with human creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking, we can unlock unprecedented opportunities and drive progress like never before. So let's embrace this partnership, and together, we can shape a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also humanely enriching. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.